Hey everyone, Kenny here. Look, this video, I just actually wanted to check in. Wanted to say hi, check in, how you doing? I know this video is viewed by lots of people. You could be a past client of mine. You could be somebody that's watching my content. You could be somebody that we're gonna work together. We haven't worked together. You could be in the business, whatever it is. Today, I actually just wanted to make this video and go over some things that I think are important as far as products that I'm seeing a lot of stuff get done, whether it's with me, other people, and things that we're helping people out with. And I want to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different scenarios, just quickly give you some quick numbers so you have a reference for how people that might be in an FHA loan. So if you bought a home in the last 2-3 years and your rate's high and you have an FHA loan or you have a VA loan, I want to kind of give you some rates and what that refi looks like. Maybe you bought a house for $2-3 million, $4 million. You have a jumbo loan, your rate's, in the 7s and you went full doc. I'm going to tell you about a scenario here. We can get your rate down. Maybe you bought a home or you need to refinance or you want to buy a home, and all these scenarios are all the above, and you needed to go bank statement, you're self-employed and you didn't qualify full doc and you got a rate that's higher and you wonder where rates are at. Does it make sense to refinance now? And then maybe you're a real estate investor. Maybe you bought a property on a fix and flip loan and you fixed it up, or you bought a property cash, or you did some other type of financing and maybe you added ADUs and now it's time to refinance, recapture some of that money and put it back to work. And so I wanted to go over 5 different scenarios today with you, give you some numbers, see where you're at, where we're at in the market, and each scenario tell you how easy it is to get them done or not easy, and go through them. And these are some of the loans we're helping people. And obviously, folks, I work on tons of scenarios, whether you're a first-time home buyer, real estate investor, business owner, 1099, all the above. We're very, very good here at the Simpson team about structuring deals, especially for higher net worth people that have a lot of real estate holdings or businesses that need mapping out. I'm on the phone constantly with people that are active real estate investors, and we're pulling cash from here, we're buying this, refining this, bringing the rate down, getting your bridge loan, construction loan to, redo the house, add the ADUs. My wife over here does commercial, she's doing a lot of construction, add the ADUs. Whatever it is, we're a wealth of knowledge. Like I tell people, I can't fix your car, I can't build your house, I can definitely not fix your computer, but when it comes to mortgages and real estate, this is my game. This is what we're really, really good at, because this is what I do all day, every day long. This is exactly why I make content and shoot videos like this for you, because whether I get 1 of you, 10 of you, 20 of you, 100 of you, I get your attention. That's all that matters to me. I'm here to help deliver information. So let's dive into scenarios, and enough about me. But just real quick, if we've never met, my name is Kenny Simpson. I focus on 1 to 4 unit financing. That means I help people buy and refinance 1 to 4 unit properties. I've been doing this 20 years, funded over a few $1 billion of loans, helped over 5,000 clients. I shoot videos like this, shoot content, because I want to help educate you, entertain you, and hopefully you walk away with some confidence and some knowledge of what's going on out there in the market. I talked a lot of stuff from products to pricing to rate to the economy, all that stuff. So if you're here, thank you so much. Appreciate the time, and let's jump into these scenarios. Scenario number 1 is called the IRRRL interest rate reduction. Have you ever heard of that? So if you have a VA loan, it's very simple. There's no income, there's no assets, there's no appraisals. Even some of the scenarios you can actually do no credit, but this one's no appraisal, no income, no assets. I'm looking at a 720 FICO. This has no points. It's a rate term refi. I use a loan amount of $800,000. No points. Remember, the rate today on that is 5.99. APR is 6.123. PI payment on it is $47.91. Obviously, I'm going to put this in the email so you guys can check it out as well. Number 2 is an FHA Streamline. It's a Streamline. It's almost the same thing. No income, no asset, no appraisal. It's great. And by the way, I can close the IRRRL, the Streamline. We close those in 7 to 10 days. It's so easy. It's a joke. It's the easiest thing. I'm telling you, it's such a joke. Because if you're sitting on a rate and you just want to knock it out, literally, I just need you to give me an application, your mortgage statement, we pull your credit, and you're get an approval, you're done. Before you even know what's happening, we're clear to close, we're done, doctor. I'm not kidding you, I'm not exaggerating. It's that fast. It's the best, easiest thing to do on this planet if you have those loans. So here's the FHA. It's very similar. On the VA, you can go to 100% financing. On the FHA, if you want to do a rate term refi, you're 96.5% loan to value, $800,000 loan amount, interest rate 5.99, APR 6.925. Did you have to finance the upfront MIP? Remember, VA, you can also have a funding fee as well, depending if you are disabled or not. And then this one is no points. As I mentioned, 5.99, same payment, $47.91. So whether a VA or FHA, you're doing a VA IRRRL or FHA Streamline, we're at 5.99, basically no points, guys. It's a no-brainer. So if your rate's higher than that, give me a call. If you're waiting for rates to come down, reach out to me. We'll put you on a rate watch. We'll get back to you when rates drop. at the number or figure you want. Jumbo refi. I have an amazing jumbo refi product. It's full doc. This thing is not available to everybody out there. There's not many of us have this product, so I'm lucky to have it. I'm very grateful. Here's the thing. I want to go into this. The scenario I have here, just to go, is full doc refi, 80%, 720 credit score, $2 million loan amount I did here. It's 30-year fixed, 6%. Yes, I have to charge a point, but 6% straight. Very, very good pricing. Listen to this. It goes all the way to $4 million, 80%. Here's the kicker. Let's say you have a house that's worth $4 million and you owe $1 million and you wanted to say, hey, Kenny, I want to go to 80% cash out. Still 6%, 1 point, folks. It's unbelievable pricing, whether it's purchase, rate and term, refi, cash out, same pricing. We can knock it out of the park for you. The APR in that scenario, you'll see is 6.125. If I can help you out, call me. The payment on that $2 million at 6% is right under $12,000, $11,991. The next one, the jumbo refi. This one is not full doc. It's a 12-month bank saver program, 720 credit, rate and term. We're gonna do 12 months bank statements, 1 point origination. I said rate and term refi, 75% LTV on this one. I priced out $2 million loan amount, 30-year fix, interest rate 6.75, APR 6.85, payments $12,972. Also on some of these, we're able to do that product. We could also do interest only, but great product. If we knock them out of the park, we're really good at them. We can get them done quickly. A lot of these, all these loans are typically 30 days or less. Sometimes the IRRRLs and Streamline 7 to 10 days, like I said. But anyways, if you need help with the bank statement loan and you're a self-employed, you're not sure, that's just that. We also have 1 year tax return bank statement where you can do a profit and loss. We can use assets. So there's many options on the self-employed, but this particular scenario that you'll see here on the video and in the email that you're looking at, it is a 12-month business bank statement product or personal bank statements. Last but not least is a DSCR, stands for debt service coverage ratio loan. In English, just think of it as the real estate investor loan. We're going to use the DSCR. That means we're going to use the gross rents for your property, 100% of the gross rents, and then you're going to divide that into the PITI, or if it's interest only, and you're going to get your DSCR. On this one, we priced out a 120 DSCR. So DSCR, this is a no income, no job, 740 credit, 1 point origination, rate term, 75% loan to value, $1.5 million loan amount. We're looking at 6.875, APR 6.95, payment is $13,138. On the DSCR, we can do purchase, refi, cash out, we can do interest only, we can close in LLCs. There's a lot to this product. That's the quick and easy. If you want me to run a scenario, you can call me, text me. Obviously, you can just reply to this email and tell me what your scenario is. The scenario could go something like, what do you think your value is? What's the loan amount? Is this a 1 to 4 unit property, house, condo, 4 unit, 2 unit? Is it owner occ? Is it primary? Can you qualify using income, not income? And then let me know what you're looking to do, rate term, cash out, whatever it is. And I can put it together, send it back to you and help you out. Anyways, just wanted to go over some low-hanging fruit here that we're helping people. Folks, there's so many situations, scenarios I work on every single day and every single week that's helping clients. I can't even think about them, whether it's a construction loan, whether it's a rehab loan, whether it's a fix and flip loan, whether it's helping military family buy a house, whether it's helping a first-time real estate investor, first-time home buyer, whether it's helping clients refinance a single family where they built 2 ADUs, you know, whatever it is. I can keep going on and on. DSCR, bank statements, we're here to help. These are some of the scenarios we're working on. If I can help you, please reach out. Share this video with somebody. We'll talk soon. Thanks so much for the time.